next question from NEET 2015, the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases. See the question now. Two vessels separating containing the two ideal gases A and B at the same temperature. Okay, the two vessels. So vessel 1, then vessel 2. Okay. So vessel A and vessel B at the same temperature. So here the temperature value will be same, both temperature is T. The pressure of A is twice that of B. So here the pressure, okay, so pressure of A is equal to 2 times of pressure of B. Okay, so here let's take as the pressure of B is B. Okay, then next one. Under such condition, the density of A is to be 1.5 times of density of B. So density, that is rho. Okay, so rho is a density. So density of A is 1.5 times of density of B. Okay, so here taken as the density of B is normally, it is rho B. Okay, so now what asking? So the ratio of molecular weight of A and B. So molecular weight of A. So molecular weight of A is MA, molecular weight of B is MB. So now the question is, they are asking what is that MA is MB, because that ratio only asking. So this is the question. Okay. Now see that by using the ideal gas equations. Okay, because here they are using ideal gas only. No? So ideal gas equation, you know, that is a PV is equal to RT. Okay. So now here let's take we want to introduce the density factor. So we know that density is equal to mass divided by volume. Okay. So the volume is there. Therefore, volume is equal to mass divided by density. Okay. So we can replace the value pressure into volume. Volume what? That is M divided by rho is equal to R into T. Okay. Right. So now we need M value only. Therefore, M is equal to rho into R into T divided by pressure. Okay. Right. So we can write now first MA. Okay. It is molar weight for A vessel. That is MA is equal to, that is the density of A gas. Then RT is constant. Then divide by pressure of A gas. Like that, MP is equal to density of B gas. RT is constant. Divide by pressure of B gas. But we know very well here the pressure of A is 2 times of pressure of B. So I can replace this value 2 times of pressure of B, then as usual RT divide by then pressure, that is density. If you focus, the density is 1.5 times of, sorry, here actually this is the density. Okay, so density. So density is equal to 1.5 times of B. Density is equal to 1.5 times of B. Now the pressure. So pressure is equal to 2 times of pressure of B. Okay, listen. This is actually density. Now pressure. Okay, density here 2 times of pressure, here 1.5 times of density. Right. Then this is taken as equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Therefore, equation 1 divided by equation number 2. So I can write MA divided by MB. Okay. So 1.5, then density of B into RT divided by 2 times of pressure of B, and into next pressure of B divided by density of B into RT. So here density RT will be cancelled for B. Then pressure of B cancel. So the remaining MA divided by MP is equal to 1.5. You can write as 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Already 2 is there. So 3 by 2. So we can write MA is 20. That is 3 is to 4. And the answer 3 by 4. Okay. So this answer is satisfied with the option B. Okay. Thank you.